to Salhouse Railway Station, the final station I'm visiting on the Bittern line today. Tick, 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 tick. It's dark now, even though it's only 4:20, it's dark. Yeah, there's nice benches here actually. I don't know what this would have been beforehand, because behind here is a big field that leads absolutely nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. Yeah, enough of that. Some lovely benches here, plenty of places to wait. The platform used to be longer here by the looks of things, as you can tell there. The platform was longer once upon a time, probably when there was longer trains here, like the loco days perhaps, I don't know. But yeah, the lights are nice here. It's quite a well kept station, isn't it? It's tranquil apart from that speeding motorbike you hear in the distance. You can hear birds singing, you can hear a farm, active farm. Yeah, it's really nice here. Sort of thing you wouldn't get in Kent. That's why I love getting out of Kent, because Kent is not a very nice place. Yeah, there is a barrow crossing here, which I can't believe I haven't spoken about yet. Very exciting. One of my favourite things on a railway, a barrow crossing. There's not many left. I suppose this one just has to be here, otherwise I'd have to spend a load of money on a footbridge. But yeah, have to come down here. It's rare to be able to walk down the platform like this. Look left, look right. Don't even know if blimming left or right. Walk across. There's a view of the station from the barrow crossing. There's a little shelter here, keep you out of the rain, on the Sheringham bound platform. Lost my mind then. Plenty of posters about the Bittern line, with holes burnt in them. Nice bin, looks like it's been done recently. A walking map of Salhouse. Pub. Interesting. No public access. Railway. Defibrillator. Nice history there. If you can read it. Pause now, but you probably can't. So, yeah. Some seats there with no backrest. Got another little chair here. I like them benches there. Quite comfy for a bit of metal. And yeah, there's the another view of the canopy there. Salhouse. And yeah, this is all planters, which is nice. I do like the planters. Very nice. Sort of force you over the yellow line though. Trains do pass through, but I guess it doesn't really matter. You could just stand here. Yeah, the ballast is all sort of built up. Trying to get all this done before it gets too dark where you can't see anything. It's sort of still just about light though, I've timed it perfect. This gate here, some cycle storage facility there, or motorbike facility. Help point there, which which is good. Wi-Fi here, whether it's working or not I don't know. Next train to Norwich is a 6:32 to Norwich, yes, 2 hours time. Yeah, we can accommodate 6 bicycles on board. This train is full of 4 coaches. Yeah, this is, imagine what is the car park of the station. It's very big, very big. Starting to not be able to see anything. Some nice trees over there. Can't really see them, but they're like the really tall trees with a really skinny trunk. I quite like them. A nice sign. Cromer and Sheringham. And there's the train times. Engineering work. I believe that James Reeve is also area manager to the Burnley Arms line, the Great Yarmouth. More travel. Norwich. 15 minutes walk via Station Road and Norwich Road. Alright. Okay. Right, as my train arrives, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video here at Salhouse. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope to see you very, very soon in another video. Until then, it's bye-bye for now from me. Thanks for watching, guys. It's very dark now. See you later. Bye bye.